Hey everybody, it is Thursday, January 2nd, and I'm about to start delivering. I just dropped my wife off at the pool nearby, in an indoor pool, so I have to pick her and my son up in a little bit, but I do have a GrubHub schedule. I'm scheduled to work from 5:30 to 9:30 tonight, so I have a 4-hour shift. It's 5:15, so I turned it on already, accepting orders. I'm gonna have to take a little break to grab them, but that's okay. I'm about to turn on PostMates, see if I get anything there while I'm waiting for the GrubHub order. And then maybe my wife will join me, I don't know. I'm gonna ask her, see if she wants to hang out with me tonight, and if not, I'll bring her and my son home. Alright, so I literally just turned PostMates on. I already got a Burger King order. I'm pretty close by. If I navigate, it's on Canal. I think it's in this plaza or in the plaza next to me, but it's literally like right next to me. I might have to go out onto the main road. I don't know if this plaza connects with the one next to me, but it's busy. I guess I'm in a good area. I don't know. I don't normally deliver over here, so we'll see how it goes. Alright, so it's 5:45. I just dropped off that PostMates order. I'm gonna head back into the busy area and see if I could get a GrubHub order. GrubHub's map shows that the area I am in is the busiest. Look how dark red that is. You would think that would mean I'd get an order, but nothing yet, so we'll see how it goes. So it's now 6:12, and I finally got an offer with GrubHub. Took, 40 minutes, and it's far away, not where I want to head to right now, but it's a $20 offer. I can't really pass it up. It's been slow.
Turn left.
If I reject it, then I won't get the hourly contribution pay, so I gotta grab it.
Turn right on West Okanagan Place.
It's only
then turn right on Columbia Center Boulevard.
It's only a 10-minute ride, and the drop-off location looked relatively close.
Turn right. Then stay to the right to Columbia Center Boulevard.
Hopefully it won't be an issue. I'm sure my wife is probably going to be at the pool for another half hour or so we'll see what happens. Alright, so it's 7:43, and I just got an order for this Thai restaurant. I don't know, I've never been to it. Kind of slow right now, but I was able to pick up my wife from the pool, and now she's joining me, so it's kind of nice. And I don't know, it's a slow night, but it's okay. That happens. I will update you later on. So I just dropped off that Thai order about 15 minutes ago, and then I brought my wife home. So now it's 8:30. I'm going to Red Robin, which I'm super excited about because supposedly I get a free fry cup for GrubHub and Red Robin.
In 600 feet, turn right, then turn left.
I haven't actually done a Red Robin order. The one I had got canceled, so hopefully I could go get a free fry. That's kind of cool. Looking out for their drivers. So it's being a steady night, but pretty slow. Nothing too crazy. I'll let you know if I get that fry or not, and then keep you updated. Okay, so I just picked up the food from Red Robin. It's 8:40, but they shafted me. They said that we don't get fries. I don't know why it says it in the app, so that was a disappointment. I don't know if maybe they just didn't want to give it to me or what, but I was all excited and got nothing. Alright, so it's 9:05. There was a little hiccup with that order. It had the wrong house number, so I went to the wrong location. Finally got it squared away. And now I got a Postmates order for Chipotle, which I'm excited for because usually it's super easy. I actually think I see the food on that rack in there, so I'm gonna go grab it and drop it off. And I have another half hour, so I might get another GrubHub order. If not, I'll wrap you up then. Okay, so it is 10 after 10, and as you know, I had that Chipotle order. Then before I even left that parking lot, I got an order for KFC with GrubHub, which was right across the street. Go to KFC. As I'm waiting for the food, I get another Postmates order for Subway. So then once the food is ready, I look at the map. I see that the KFC is on the way to my next Postmates drop-off for the Chipotle. So I deliver the KFC. Then I head over and drop off the Chipotle order. Then I go to Subway, pick that up, and drop off the Subway order. And now I'm home. So with Postmates, I did 3 deliveries in total. And I earned, let's see, 5. I'm going to say 4 on that one because the change of the others. So that's about $14 on Postmates. And then with GrubHub, I made $48.41. So that's what, $58, $62 and then some change. I'm going to say about $63 right there. So not a bad night. It was about 4 hours and 45 minutes. I'll just say 5 hours for argument's sake. So we're looking at like $12-ish an hour. Plus there's still the option to get some tips from Postmates. So hopefully that will happen. If you like this video, be sure to like, comment, subscribe. I'll see you next time. Peace.